Hi, good morning everyone, and for today's video I will be sharing with you my personal opinion, verdict on my new Primax tires. So from Beast, nagpalit ako ng Primax for economic reason, no? Budget friendly kasi si Primax. And then I'm using both for my front and rear tire, Primax Carnage. No, so as you can see, bago pa to, I've changed this one last Wednesday. So, ang groove niya ay parang Pirelli Diablo Rosso, no? And then, tinakbo ko to from Dumaguete here to Santa Catalina for 75 kilometers, no? So, what are the things na nagustuhan ko sa Primax? Una, given masyadong mainit yung panahon ngayon, so napaka-stable ni Primax in terms of speed and stability. Lalo na sa cornering, nandun yung stability, no? Masyadong stable siya. As you can see, though hindi ko siya naubos, there are still chicken strips here, pero so far sa cornering, maganda yung tire, no? Siguro dahil bago pa lang, no? So far, yun lang masasabi ko. So sa mga gustong magpalit or gumamit ng Primax tires, yes, maganda yung gulong, no? This is not a sponsored review. It's only a personal review, no? And then siguro I will also give another thoughts on this once nagamit ko to during rainy season, no? So hindi ko na kasi ginagamit masyado yung Inmax ko for rides, no, long rides. So I have another bike for my rides. Pero for daily, I'm using my Inmax, no. So let's see kung ano yung magiging experience with Primax, no. Pero so far, for 75 kilometers, masyadong makapit yung gulong, no. Masyadong stable din siya for high speed. So, yun lang, and maraming salamat. Thank you for watching.